Hi guys, and right now I'm going to be playing a really intense game, as you can see by the title. One of the coolest games I've ever played. It was fucking awesome. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, I started without you guys, sorry. But I just got into the game, I couldn't let it go, and I just started playing. So let's get started. And there's Friendly, that fucking asshole. The thumbnail. There's your penis. Right there. I'm level 24. So don't think I'm behind. Okay, because I'm not. Where is he? Is that? Oh shit, it's TikTok Bob. Gotcha. Oh yeah, bitch. Can't get me. I'm already losing health. You guys don't know how hard it is to... I'd be doing this like a boss if it weren't for this. I'm gonna die. I just know. I know all. I know all matter of things. I'm gonna die. 2 more hits, I'm dead. 1 more hit, I'm dead. Knew it. That laugh. Listen. Is it there? No, it's not there anymore. Oh shit. 10 out of 10. Yeah, let's try that again, but first, let's use a gun. A different gun. Oh yeah, I have these. Some fucking laughing grenades. I'll put the penis in the meanwhile while it loads. There we go. The loading screen. It's where it puts penises. Where are you? I know where you are, but fuck you. Money! Got it. Door. Do you think I should use laughing grenades? Yeah, let's hear bitches laugh. Ugh! What the fuck? Yeah, that was the end of Jumping Joy. Let's see. That'll be your last laugh. Actually, that's gonna be my last word. The fuck you! Yes, that was your last laugh! And I'm gonna die! Just look at... There's something behind me, isn't there? Oh, kill him! Kill him! Yes, I got him. Oh shit. Oh, but there's health still! What a creepy looking sun. Okay.